I sliced better than a pound up. Wow. You know what?
Do the same.
Only about half a pound. That's enough.
I'm taking a picture. It's a video.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, kids. Go out and lay down outside if you feel faint.
Dad, don't ruin the sausage. You're putting it into that goop.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's gonna be good, Ben.
It's gonna be good.
Well, I mean, you have to waste perfectly good sausage into that stuff.
Yes, yes we do. Keep them coming, man. You gotta let some down.
He's just getting started on the peppers.
That's right.
What did you do to this?
Yeah, why don't you chop up some mushrooms for me?
Ah, yeah.
Can you do that?
Sure.
Alright.
Yeah, there's some good comments. You ain't even doing it loud.
Chocolate mushrooms?
Sorry, guys. Sorry to gas out the whole entire top floor.
Fellow chef at the Walls House Kitchen.